What are you doing, buddy? What do you have on your fingers? You say olive fingers?
Hey, ribbit.
Yeah. You think it looks like a froggy? Froggy hand? Put it back on your thumb there. What are you going to do with them? You going to take them off? You're going to do that? Okay. You wave bye-bye? Say bye-bye and wave. Wave with your fingers. Bye-bye.